Alright, so I'll show you guys what I did with this exhaust system exactly. Remove the secondary cats. Go way up there. In fact, I'll show you real quick. Just start there first. You, get back in the yard. Get back in the yard, Missy. Secondary cats are removed. Primaries are still there. The clamp is where it starts. The new stuff. Really? Apparently somebody wants to be in this. Secondaries are removed. It's all 3" from there back. It's got an X pipe somewhere in here. Forgot exactly where it's at. Oh, right there. Then it goes from there to the back, like that. Okay, so back to here. Goes from there straight out the back. And then this is where it gets crazy. Alright, so I had somebody go and ask me if you could put 2 of the XR1 Borla racing mufflers back here. It is possible, just not easy, as you can see. Of course, if you've got the single exhaust system going into the duals, it would split off back there to come back here, but I've got the SS, so it's a little more difficult. But instead of having the dumps, which I have, you wouldn't have that. You would just basically have to do this. These are a little bit smaller than the ones that were on my 4-cylinder Camaro, but the only way they would have worked. The ones I had on it were entirely too big. In fact, there it is now on my Jeep, which I'll show you in a second. Don't mind the project. Turning another toy. Okay, so the muffler that was on my old Camaro is now on a Jeep. As you can see, really? Thank you. As you can see, wow, sorry about the lighting, it sucks. It's a lot bigger. A lot bigger. Same muffler, brand, same style. Inlet and outlet are 3". Overall, I think it's around 17 or 18 inches, but the ones on my Camaro are considerably smaller by about 6 inches. And the inlet and outlets are 3.5. So, that's really what the difference is. So, they weren't able to pull off, they didn't want to try and pull off doing what I wanted with the bigger ones or anything like that, and I didn't want to go through all that, so I just put it on this one and went with a smaller one, and that's what I did.